Hello my dear students, welcome back to Each Tutorials. Those who have joined today will start with the basics of new chapter, that is triangle and its properties. So let's get started. Students, the figure that you can see on the screen having three sides AB, BC and CA, three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, three vertex, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. This figure is called, yes, it's called a triangle. Triangle means having three angles. So by definition, we can say that the closed figure formed by three non-parallel lines segment is called a triangle. Now, types of triangle on the basis of sides. Yes, so on the basis of sides, we have three types of triangle. First is isosceles triangle, the triangle having two sides of same length. Second is equilateral triangle. Equal means all sides are equal, means of same length. Scalene triangle, no sides of the same length. Types of triangle on the basis of angles. So students, we have a three type of triangles here. First is acute triangle. Acute triangle is a triangle in which all three angles measure less than 90 degree. Second is obtuse triangle, a triangle in which one angle should be more than 90 degree. And third is right triangle, in which one angle measures always 90 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Now this property states that all the angle of a triangle adds up to always 180 degree. Now you can see in the figure, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is always 180 degree. Similarly for triangle DEF and angle PQR. Now by definition, the angle sum property of a triangle states that angle of a triangle means all three angles always add up to 180 degree. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Now this property states that whenever you see an extended line, it will make one exterior angle. Here ACD is the exterior angle, and now we have a two interior, that is angle B and angle A. It implies that the exterior angle is always equal to the sum of two interior angles, means angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus angle CAB. So by statement, if any side of a triangle is extended, then exterior angle so formed is the sum of two opposite interior angle of the triangle. Median of a triangle. Students, simply median is a line which divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Let's see in the figure. Here you can see AD is a median. Therefore, we can say that BD is equal to DC because it's divide the line into two equal parts. Similarly, for CF, then FB is equal to FA because F divides the AB into two equal parts again, and BE. BE is a median, therefore AE is equal to EC. Now let's check. In triangle ABC, D, E, F are the midpoints of sides AD, BE and CF respectively. Therefore, AD, BE and CF are called medians of triangle ABC. One more important point here, where all the three medians intersect, this point is called, means O. O is called centroid of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle. So students, altitude is a line which always make 90 degree angle to the opposite side. Now in triangle ABC, you can see we have three altitude, CP, BQ and AE. And most important thing, it is different from the median. It is not dividing the opposite side into two equal halves. Okay, and where all these three altitude meets means intersect, this O point is called orthocenter. What we call orthocenter, whereas in median we call it as a centroid, right? So by definition, altitude or a height of a triangle is the perpendicular line drawn from the vertex of a triangle to its opposite side, and it always make a right angle with the base of a triangle. Triangle inequality property. Students, let's understand this property with the help of example. From the figure you can see that AB is equal to 6 units, BC is equal to 8 units and CA is equal to 12 units, right? Now in this property, let's take two sides at a time. Here we have taken AB and BC. AB is 6 and BC is 8. Now let's add these two sides. 6 plus 8, 14, right? It must be greater than the third side, that is CA, that is 12 units. Yes, it's right. Okay. Now again, let's take the other two sides. Here sum of two sides. Now we will take BC and CA. BC is 8 and CA is 12. Now 8 plus 12 is equal to 20, right? And 20 is greater than the third side, that is 6. Okay, then again it's correct. Now let's take a third set of the sides, means CA and AB. That is 12 plus 6 is equal to 18 and 18 is a greater than 8 units. Now the triangle inequality property states that if this condition means the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than third side. This is called inequality property of triangles. Pythagoras theorem. So students, it's a very important theorem in the exam point of view. So please listen and understand it carefully. Now in triangle ABC, we can see that one angle should be 90 degree. Why it is so? Because then only we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So the side opposite to the 90 degree means this angle is called hypotenuse, that is CB, and it is the largest side of the triangle as well. And what about other side? The other two sides that contain right angle, that is base here AB and perpendicular is equal to CA of a right angled triangle. Right angle triangle is very, very important. Now by statement, it states that according to Pythagorean theorem, in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse, here we can see that BC square is equal to the sum of square of the other two sides, means AB square plus AC square. So finally it's a Pythagoras theorem states that BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. That we're going to apply in the questions as well. Pythagorean triplet. Let's understand with the help of example. In this triangle we have a three sides A, B and C, and A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 5. Now Pythagorean triplets are any three positive integer that completely satisfy Pythagorean theorem. Now Pythagorean theorem states that yes, the square of hypotenuse must be equal to sum of square of other two sides. So A square plus B square is equal to C square. On substituting the values, here A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 5. We got 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore here Pythagorean triplets are 3, 4 and 5. So students, please revise all these property and try to make notes as well. Now we'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.